Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This is a channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. Let's get into week 48. We're going to go over how to trade the weekly trends for S&P 500 futures. Let's get into the week. We are with the NASDAQ. As you can see here, we did not get back up to this equal high. We're within this our previous range. We've broken that structure and continued down into discount, further into discount. I marked off this area here during the week for where price could potentially go to, and as you see, it came right into that support onto the for the daily. Let's go ahead into the monthly, and since the end of November, let's see where price could potentially go to. So here we are in the monthly. We see our range. We had a huge bullish candle for the month. Again, this is the end of November. I'm not quite sure that I'll see this turnaround. It may get smaller. What I would still like to see is definitely for this bearish price not to close below the previous month. That would let us know that price is still continuing up for now. Even though we had like this, what is this, February of 2024? We had a bearish monthly candle at that point. You see it was a small bullish previous candle, and it took out that equal low for the month and then continued up. It's not the case here, but we do have some monthly imbalances that price could come back into further into discount for NASDAQ before continuing up. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly, same thing. Looks like it was pretty much an equal low where I put that support in at. Looks like it's a small wick. However, last week closed below this. So my thoughts are price is going to continue down. Where to? Looks like there's some support here on a weekly. So let's go ahead and mark this off. There is weekly support here. However, by it tapping here already, I think it may go down further. You can look at it on the daily. It's highly probable it will. We already tapped into this imbalance. Went to that weekly support. Let's just take a look. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, we have like imbalances in this area right here around June 24. The daily had left some imbalances, so I would not be surprised with the momentum currently that price may continue lower into discount before turning around and going back up. Now, we may hit this support 23,090 and just take back off. Right now, price is just going into a deeper discount. So let's mark off our new range where prices come to, which is about right here, breaker structure here. Yeah. So yes, this is our new range for our daily. Again, price in the very much on a discount. Do I think it's going to go lower? Yes. I think it needs to find support, or this may be support setting in right now. The best way for us to figure that out is the next candle. So what I'm really looking for to see momentum shift is a daily candle close above. Right now, this candle here was to open 24,966. If I can get a close below above that, then I'll know momentum is probably it's a high probability momentum is shifting. High probability. So That is NAS. Let's go over here to the Dow Jones. Here we are with the Dow. Dow, something similar. We do have a breaking structure low. Looks like support has been put in. Let's go ahead and delete some of these lines. So the Dow went and cleaned all the gap, the equal low over here on the daily up. When we entered last week, we were already filling up these imbalances, and it just ran below. Broke the structure, then kept going. See an aggressive push down right now, so people are selling. Let's go ahead and look at the monthly and see where we are right now. So here we are in a monthly. We got a goal up here, 49,860. Doesn't appear we're going to get there this month. We do have monthly support down here. What is this low? Open 44,610. So 44,610. Looks like we have support right there. Close 44,646. Yeah, 44,610 will be our support. This is the monthly. Yeah. That's our monthly support that we're looking at currently. Not saying it's going to get all the way back down there. Let's look at this weekly. Get a little confirmation. Small imbalance. Right there on support. We have an imbalance underneath it. So the trajectory of the Dow, I don't know. It may put in support right here. It did not break this low. Broke this smaller low. In order for me to think it's going to go any lower, I'll need a weekly close below 47,048. Right now, it just touched into this area and started coming back. Right now, that's probably the support I'm looking at on the weekly. That it probably won't get any lower than that. Mark that off. We'll see if we get a close below here. Then yes, it's going to continue down. Again, it's the end of the month. Look at this daily again. We got support candles, got a daily close above the previous day. That's a good sign that support is being put in. I would just I'll probably need another close above this daily candle here. 46,714. If I can get the next candle close above there, I'll know price is continuing up. Now, that's the signs we're looking for. If today we start out down, then it's highly likely it's going up, and it may close above that. This candle here. That's the candle I'm looking for close above, to let me know the momentum is changing from a retracement. Let's let's change this. This is our new daily range. Broke structure. This is still the high though. So we're in deep discount right now. Again, I don't think this candle is going to change for the monthly. It's bearish. I think it's going to stay bearish because this is the last week. Can it possibly change? You see the range. Looks like it took about 2 weeks to get where it is now. So it may just pull right up here into this imbalance. So we'll see. Let's take a look at gold. So here we are with gold. It's the busy. Here's our range. It appears price is just in consolidation right now. Not a lot of action on gold. Were there some opportunities? Absolutely. Let's look at the monthly. Overall, bullish, still bullish. Got a nice bullish candle here. Long wick. Looks like it's been rejecting a few times from up in this area. However, again, gold is still not showing any signs of coming any lower in the discount. Still overall super bullish. Yes, we do have some long wicks. Let me hide this real quick. Have these long wicks right here showing that, price has been rejected from this area here. Let's look at this weekly. And here was that equal low that I had marked out. You see price came right back to it. Last week closed pretty much like a doji, which we saw, which was pretty much consolidation. So, um, right now we want to see price go down before going up. We have a lot of imbalance down here. We see our monthly support all the way down here at 3,700. Do I think it's going to get down there? More than likely not. However, price is in consolidation right now. Let's look at the daily to see. Let's plan out our week based off the daily. So here's our daily. Here's our daily range. We're not going to change our range right now. We did break above. It came right back into this imbalance area right here and just kind of stayed here. What is this here? What is this open? 48.84. 40.84. I think I need to close above there to see that price is going to continue up. Now, I'll tell you, if you're holding long positions, getting a buy anywhere where you see these wicks. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. All right, price coming back into this middle portion of this area right here after visiting. It's tapped into the first part of the discount, and then it went all the way to midpoint of discount within these wicks. So getting a buy, setting your stop loss back here, this is not a bad position to have. Just saying. Not a bad position to have. It's 3-1. The way gold has been moving, that's a pretty good run. Pretty good run. So 2.5, 3, 2.5. If you could have got it all the way down here, that'd have been even better. I mean, I'm just saying, it coming back down here and changing the direction after it revisited here. If you did not already have a position here, that's a perfect one. Again, it's in consolidation. Here's 4 instead of the 2.5. So yeah, good position to have. If you're holding, for a long period of time, make sure you do you and protect your position. Again, if we get a close below here, 40.45, then I'm thinking it's going to go further into retracement, further in the discount. So, all right, let's go here. Look at S&P. So here we are with S&P. Again, deeper in the discount, had a break of structure, get a close below this low here in our daily range, and put support in all the way down here. Let's look at the monthly, see where we are overall. It's highly likely that This candle's going to remain bearish. Okay, here we are. Our only imbalance on the monthly is right down here. I don't see that we've closed below this low, but we have revisited the previous month's lows. So look at our weekly. Don't see too much on a weekly. It came right into weekly support right there, and rejected from it. Did not close below this low, though. So in my mind, it's not done. Continuing up, still bullish. Just in retracement right now in a deeper discount. So let's look at the daily, see where we're looking for a price shift. Yeah, price shift above 66.97, 66.98. Get a close above that, wait for price to pull back, and then get a position, I think is our best bet. If it continues lower, we'll see a close below 65.57, and we'll be waiting for a better position at that point. Right now, the support is not there yet. It is on the weekly. However, we have not seen a price shift. We have not seen momentum change right now. This is our range now. Am I? Boom, boom. Yep, it's still the same. It's just gotten lower. So this is our range, which is why I said it's in some deeper discount. You see prices right there. It's deeper discount. Your stop will go below here. I could at least say that below here, or maybe even here. This the daily. So yeah, this is our plan. Unless we get a close above that, I'm still thinking price is going to come deeper into the discount. I don't think this candle's going to change. Looking at the monthly and the weekly, looks like it just may be putting in support in this the last week. The holidays are coming up next week, so yeah, just make sure you're protecting your position over the holidays, and yeah. So that's the trading plan for the week. The New York Stock Exchange will be closed on Thanksgiving Day. The rest of the week it will be open. So I don't know if the volume will be there. So again, manage your trades accordingly. If you have a position open, just protect them. You don't want the low volume people to like take, move against your position, and you end up being out of position where your position was being profitable, and you come back and it's not. So make sure you're taking a look at that. Make sure you check with your broker to see which days and what the trading time hours are. But it appears just New York Stock Exchange will be closed on November. So if you trade NAS or any of the other ones, they'll probably be all of the other ones. We only do the three, which is London, Asian, and then New York. The other two will probably be open and trading, which is why I said you don't want the low volume ones to take you out of your position. So be careful. But New York will be closed on Thanksgiving, and then again in December on Christmas. So market also closes early November 28th. So the following day of Thanksgiving, it'll close early. So myself, I probably won't even be trading or involved. This investment process channel. You guys have a great trading week.